So ending the week on another break even and a loss. The break even was just total bullshit, to be honest. And yeah, I did lose a little bit, but it was a little bit of an revenge trade, so I'm pretty angry at myself. Yeah, we'll just go on to next week and stick to our rules. So coming into market open, my bias was bearish as we had a 400 point dump and we were just respecting bearish PDRAs and disrespecting bullish PDRAs. So yeah, that's all I got to say for bias here. What I was looking for open was for a price to come up, manipulate into this hourly gap, and then catch a short due to swing out of that towards these lows. And then there was lows from September down here that I was also looking to target as my draw of liquidity for the day. So coming into market open, we don't get the hourly tap, but we do respect off of this 5 minute, and then we dump, inversing both of these 5 minute bullish fair value gaps right here and opening up this 5 minute right here. So if we did get a tap into this, I would look for a continuation chart lower. As you can see here, we get the tap and then do open up a 2 minute bearish fair value gap to inverse. And if we did inverse this, I would be open to take a position chart with the break even point being here and then fail take profit being at this low. So I did put my position here, and as you can see, we hit the break even point instantly and I moved my stop to break even. But I think I got a really shitty fill on this, and my point was right here. And then on the next candle, I did get stopped out by like a tick. So, which really sucked, to be honest. And then this did end up going to fill take profit as well. So yeah, I missed out on that one, and it shouldn't have even went break even. I think it's just my fill was so bad. It must have been like here. I got stopped to break even and it hit fill take profit. So after this happened, we consolidated for a little bit, then we did open up this massive 5 minute gap. So if we tapped into this, I was looking to take another continuation chart down to these lows again. And yeah, it was kind of just a revenge trade here. So as you can see, we opened up a 1 minute right there, and then we did end up inversing this on the next candle. So I took my position short. Break even point would have been these lows right here, and then just targeting this down here. I did think this was a shitty trade at the time, to be honest. There was absolutely zero reason for a price to go lower. There was no draws, but I was kind of angry that my other one had got break even, so I did just stick on one contract on this. And then as you can see, I got stopped out and lost like $50 I think on this one. Finally, after this trade, we did tap midpoint of this 5 minute gap and then open up a 4 minute bullish fair value gap, and I was looking for the inverse of this, and then we got it, but I was real hesitant to enter just because I just thought it was going to be a revenge trade. It was kind of late into the session, and I just thought that's me done for the day. I'm pretty annoyed at myself already. We'll just leave it. And just my luck, it did hit fill take profit as well. So yeah, that's just my luck. So yeah, overall pretty shitty week from me, just due to me missing a whole bunch of trades and then ending it just in red of about $50, which I suppose isn't too bad, but it's just pretty annoying considering all of the setups I called out and then either didn't take or get stopped break even. And yeah, just a tough week to take, but let's just go into Monday with a fresh attitude, and yeah, let's catch some good trades next week. Future me, are we profitable yet? See you in the next one.